So today we have a topic to discuss, and the topic is what is key to success. So I have mentioned 5 points. First two are uh, confidence and knowledge. Second are hard work and smart work, and the last one is money. So you people have to decide. You have to clear the point that which one is key to success. यानी सफलता की चाबी इसमें से है क्या? So are you ready to discuss this topic? Yes, sir. Sure. Yes, okay. So let's commence.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. As sir has given today 3 topics in our groups, and our topic is hard work. First topic is hard work and smart work, and second topic is money, and the last topic is confidence and knowledge. Which one is the most important for getting success in future? So in my group the topic is money matters for getting success in future, because everywhere now people focusing on the money. Either you are getting success in future but you are not earning, and it is not for good, because everyone judge on the basis of your doing work, whatever you are working in anywhere. Because until you gets after getting success, you are not able to earn money and nurture your family, and also the society tells that what the benefit of the studying a lot and investing lots of money in the study until you get success, but you are not earning money for the family members.
Yeah, as sir given as a topic means we have chosen a topic means hard work and smart work according to means our group, and on behalf of them I want to say something. Means if you do hard work, definitely you would get success, and without hard work you can't get success, and hard work is a key of success. Key to success. And hard work, and if you do hard work, definitely you would be means able to purchase anything whatever you want. And without hard work and without a smart work, how would you means earn money? Means every we are knowing means this era is means money era, and without money we can't live this era.
Good evening guys. We have chosen a topic that is the knowledge or confidence. It means according to us, knowledge and confidence are the best way to get success in less time. Means we have seen knowledge is the one of the base that acts much important crucial role in the for building our success. As knowledge, without knowledge we can't achieve anything. First of all, what we think success, what is success? Definitely success is the thing that gives us happiness, whether we get from money or any other works. It is not about the how much money we are earning per month or per annum. It is just only the thing that gives happiness to us. This is my point of view, and the knowledge gives us the more happiness towards achieving our success.
I am in the favor of knowledge and confidence. So as you know about success, if you want to get success, then 2 things are very important to have. First, confidence and knowledge. Without having knowledge means you won't be able to do any work, and without confidence, same thing. Especially for increasing your experience, 2 things are main, because without confidence and without knowledge you won't be able to do any work, especially for getting success. Yes sir.
And success is the one of the thing that makes you to reach up to the top of the tree, or whether you want to take any part in any sector. This is the base, and because of this everybody is trying to get more and more education.
And I want to say something. I am totally disagreed with Narayan point. Means he has just mentioned a point. Means without knowledge, without confidence, means you can't do anything. But means according to my POV, without hard work or without a smart work, you can't, means you wouldn't have confidence and knowledge. Means how, means without hard work, without how can you means get success, and how would you have confidence?
Prakash bhai, I would like to answer you. Means you mentioned that means hard work and a smart work.
Examining each other. So good.
Yeah. So you mentioned that means both are important, hard work and smart work. But the thing is that without knowing anything about any work, you don't have proper knowledge about that work, and you are doing hard work. Means you are consuming your time. Means totally you are wasting your time. Means after doing hard work, what you are getting? You are getting nothing.
And self-confidence is that the thing that increases your self-respect in the society, and how the other people would take you as in their own way.
And I want to say something, means they have just mentioned a point, means confidence and knowledge. So means it said that means partial knowledge is a very dangerous thing. If you have lots of confidence and you are telling means wrong thing, means people can judge you just click of second. What would you think regarding?
So in my point of view, hard work and smart work are more important than money and confidence, because if you done hard work and smart work in studies, so definitely you will get first position in exam, and if you done hard work and smart work, then money run behind you, sir.
So I want to highlight Saksham's point by giving the example of 2%. We can take the example of Bill Gates. He had done smart work in his time because he was very weak in his studies. That's why he can't do hard work. But he done smart work. That's why he is the owner of a big. He couldn't do on that time. That's why he. But now he had done smart work. That's why he is the owner of a big company. And for the giving the example of hard work, I want to take the example of Sachin Tendulkar and many of the cricketers who their life was very tough, but they done hard work and they are earning crore of rupees.
Yeah, and I want to speak on behalf of means Yuvraj and our group as well, because they are telling regarding means hard work. Definitely it is right, because means without hard work, means I want to let you know one thing, means every means billionaire and millionaire means without hard work and without means a smart work, means they can't do means
they are successful today.
Yeah, if they are successful today, means why means there is a hard work and means hard work and smart work as well, and without hard work and means smart work, they couldn't do anything. And means could you count me examples, means make me count means people are
So my POV is that means today is money is more important, because if we have no money, we have to always compromise
with our life.
with our lives. And if anybody has any disease, so on that time, if you have money, so doctors will give you treatment, and over there means money is everything. And I want to tell you that means after matric and enter, we have to choose for studying. On that time means more important than money. So
I want to tell you one thing, means you are telling about money, but the thing is that especially for earning money, means directly you can't get money. For getting money you have to do something, which is more important. But the thing is that you should have knowledge how to earn money, and you should have confidence where to invest your money, so that your money will be double. Yeah.
I want to ask a question from her. What makes money? The knowledge and confidence are the both things. Without these both things, you can't earn money in your whole life. If you are having this two enormous thing, definitely you would be successful in your life.
Yeah, definitely. And I want to say something, means I want to deadly against means Narayan and Divya's point. Means they have just mentioned a point, means when Narayan was telling regarding knowledge, means knowledge and confidence, and Divya was telling regarding means money. So without hard work and without a smart work, how can you earn the money? Firstly, I am totally, and second one is what means knowledgeable and means knowledge. And Narayan was telling regarding knowledge. knowledge means you know very well we are means around our area there are lots of means knowledgeable person, but in spite of having knowledge they are not getting much more money. And second thing, if you do hard work definitely you would have lots of immense of money. And I am telling, and I want to say something regarding means Divya's point. She has just mentioned a point means money.
According to me, you have done many more hard work and smart work in your life. Suppose you went to a company to give your interview. They will not see your hard work or smart work. They will see your confidence level. How much confidence do you have? How much confidence do you have? So, confidence is more knowledge and confidence is better.
Sir, in my point of view, money is more important in spite of having all points, because sir, if we go anywhere for getting admitted in a hospital, if the poor people of the family members got admitted in the hospital, they just demanded high amount of the money from them, and they are not capable of giving the high amount of money. That's the reason the doctors and the nurse are not giving the same treatment to them, because the lack of the money they have, and they are facing issues in their family members, and their family members got reason the money is more important, got died. That's the reason money is more important.
In my point of view, money matters, because in the every period of time, take an example of education. Means in the education, for your every education, for the every steps of the education, you need some money for paying for your education. So education or for the everything you need money.
I am totally disagreed with you. Means you are talking about only money, but the thing is that means in spite of having money, you don't have knowledge, you don't have and you don't know about hard work, you don't know about smart work. So how many days you will save your money?
I wanna cut Jia point, as he said about means if we are going to interview, they will not see our means hard work, they will see our knowledge. So first of all I want to ask her how you reached. First of all, I want to ask you how you reached to the interview, by your hard work, by your smart work. If you hadn't done this, you wouldn't be able to reach to the interview, and you wouldn't be able to crack the interview. And as others are saying about the money, so if you do hard work and smarter, money will run behind you. Yeah, there.
Sir, in my point of view, as they are saying, the money is the most important thing. But what makes money? Hard work and a smart work. For earning money, you have to do hard work and a smart work. Means by money, means by having money, can you get confidence? No, not hard work. No, means nothing can you get.
I want to give one more example of school. As you are telling about the knowledge, so you for sure you are getting knowledge from the books. So for reading the books, you have to go to school. So for going to school, you have done hard work for waking up at 5 o'clock, going to school by van, studying there, sweating your sweat. This is known as hard work, and by this doing hard work, you are getting knowledge, and by knowledge you are getting money.
And sir, as there, if you all guys are having all the qualities in money, self-confidence, and hard work and smart work, but what makes you different from others is the confidence and your level of knowledge. That kind of level of knowledge you are having in your society, this creates a difference between you and others. Therefore the successful people are looking different from others, because they are having better confidence than us and knowledge.
Some millionaires, yeah, you mentioned about Bill Gates and some millionaires, means why they are earning a lot of money. But the thing is that means you are talking about hard work. Hard work means a laborer who is also doing hard work, but he is earning less amount of money. Why? Because he don't have knowledge. He doesn't have knowledge, and he doesn't have confidence. And you know about millionaires, they are having high amount of knowledge, immense amount of knowledge and immense amount of confidence. He has confidence because he has to stand in front of many people, and he knows how to tackle the situation.